Hi, my name is Mihaela. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 4.4 or 5.0, especially before performing an update. Let's quickly go through the most important fixes and updates in this release. We fixed an issue with parameter FM proxy enabled, which was causing update issues from FM RPM October to November. We now support FM RPM on Red Hat 9. For flow improvement, when a partner pulls from Secure Transport, if there is no download action defined, Flow Manager no longer creates a subscription for the Publish to Account folder. Also, we now audit all types of user sign-out actions, whether the user manually signs out or when the session expires. These are the most important fixes that were addressed in this release. You can find a complete list of fixes and product enhancements in the release notes that can be found in the description below. The first new feature delivered this month is Generate SSH keys for SFTP clients. You are now able to create an SSH key pair for products that need the private key to authenticate as SFTP clients. This can be done via API or from the user interface by using the Generate SSH key button for Secure Transport and Transfer CFT product. Impact Management for Transfer CFT Certificate Renewal. Impact Management for Transfer CFT Certificate Renewal. Previously, when Transfer CFT renewed automatically its Business SSL certificate, Impact Management was not triggered and flows were not impacted. Therefore, you had no easy way to redeploy the new CFT certificate. With this new feature, you can enable Impact Management trigger for flows where the Transfer CFT product on which the certificate has been renewed, which communicates with Secure Transport. What this feature does is that subscriptions are impacted and put in Save Not Deployed status if they were previously deployed or deployed in error. Subscriptions that were initially set to undeployed, removed in error, or saved will not be impacted. Also, a status detail message is set mentioning the name of the CFT product for which certificate renewal happened. This, however, does not apply for CFTs that have auto-generated Business SSL certificate, because in this situation, CFT relies on the CA to validate the end-user certificate, therefore it does not need the end-user action.
For this feature, I've prepared an example for you. And as you can see in my Flow Manager demo environment, I have this subscription in Saved Not Deployed state, which has an additional message mentioning certificate renewal for product CFT 310 Docker 1 has happened.
Another new feature is Customize the Title and Browser tab. From the Settings page, you can customize the Flow Manager user interface window title and the name displayed in the Web Browser tab.
For this feature, go to Settings, and in the first section called General, click on Edit. Here, make your changes. Once you're done, you click on Save, and you can notice that the whole text you entered has already been applied.
Advanced Search on the Deployment page. The Advanced Search has been extended for the Deployment page as well, and you can now filter by multiple criteria using Deployed Object Type, Deployed Item Name, Target Product Name, Status with Multi-Select dropdown, or by the update period. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.